That girl was thirsty. It's warm outside. Hey, so today I have Dairy Queen's Superman cookie dough batter, new
Cookie
Blizzard.
batter blizzard. Wow.
It's blue. Mm-hmm. That Dairy Queen app come in handy. I believe this just dropped today too. The 11th. Mm-hmm. Let's go. Let's see how it tastes before it melts. It's a hot day, a beautiful hot day. I'm getting ahead of myself, ain't I? Mm. It's warm outside, so this started to melt quick, but you can never go wrong with a blizzard. Them cookie dough pieces slamming. Mm. It's definitely the cookie dough pieces for me. Yeah, it's good. I forgot to give y'all some. Mm. Mm.